Welcome friends. Today we are going to learn something about articles. Articles are words used before nouns to show whether the noun is specific or general. So an article explains you whether the noun that comes after the article is specific or general. That is the job of an article. So there are two types of articles: definite article the and indefinite articles a and n. We are going to learn all the three articles one by one. So first of all we will learn something about a. Use of the article a. The article a is an indefinite article. It is used before singular countable nouns that begin with a consonant sound. Understand this. So a is an indefinite article which do not define the noun properly, so it is an indefinite, and we use this article a before singular countable noun. So the noun must be countable, which we can count on our fingers, and it should be singular, not plural, that begin with a consonant sound. So the article must begin with a noun must begin with a consonant sound. That's where we use the article a. Rules for using a before singular countable nouns. The first rule is we have already discussed that we will use an article a before singular noun, and it should be a countable noun which we could count on our fingers. So book are the articles which we could count on fingers. Also car and dog, these are the nouns which we can easily count on our fingers, and these are some singular nouns. So we use a before these nouns: a book, a car, a dog. Second rule, before words starting with a consonant sound, not necessarily consonant letter. It means the noun should be start with the consonant sound, not the consonant letter. For example, a pen, a university, which starts with U sound, that is a consonant sound. European countries, European consonant sound. For something, the third rule is for something not specific or general things. So we use article a before a general noun, which should be also a countable noun which we can count on fingers, and it should be also a singular noun where we use article a. For example, a pen, I need a pen. She wants a laptop. Now rule number 4, to show one item. So in order to show that the thing is one or the item is one, we use article a. For example, I bought a mango, it means one mango. He saw a bird, it means single word, one word, not two or three word. Now rule number 5 is before a job or profession. So if you are describing any job or a profession of a person, then you use article a. For example, she is a doctor, he is a teacher. Next, we use article a before numbers and expressions of quantity. For example, 100, 1,000, a little, a few. These are some numbers and quantities where use article before these words. Understood? Now rule number 7, before certain fixed phrases. So there are some phrases which are already fixed in nature, and we use a in between or before these noun. For example, in a hurry, once a week, go for a walk. There are many fixed phrases. I have just given you 3 examples. I hope that you understood these examples, and if you want more phrases, you can comment me in the comment section, and I will give you more phrases which use article a. Examples in sentences. There are some sentences I have written down over here which you could see. First example is, I saw a cat in the garden. My sister bought a new dress. He wants to be a pilot. She has a problem to discuss with you. So in all these 4 sentences there is a article a which is an indefinite article, and we have used these articles before a singular countable noun. Countable stands for which we can count on our fingers, and singular means one thing. So a cat is one cat, not 2 or 3 cats. So thank you friends, you have viewed this video, and I hope that you have understood something at least. And for the next part, please wait. Maybe I will upload the next part of articles in 1 to 2 weeks. I am taking too much time, I know that, because I don't have too much time right now. So please wait. We will next discuss article n in the next video. Thank you.